Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking this video. Side, it's we have a typhoon and the wind is blowing so hard, so we cannot really go out and do the things that we need to do, our errands. We need to be safe. We need to be secured, so we are staying indoors. Earlier, I did a video. This one is an addition, a follow-up to that video. So, things that you can do when you are indoors and you cannot really go outside. So, make your time productive. Make your day worthwhile when you are inside your house. So, in the first video, I mentioned things that we can do when we are indoors and we cannot really go outside. So this is another thing that you can do when you are indoors. So this would not take so much time. I already did a video of this outdoor. So with no further ado, this is how to use this skin perfecting device. So I'm doing it now indoors style. So I show how you would use this. So now I would not just demonstrate the usage, but also how would you clean and take care of this device. Okay? So this is Lumi Spa. In the description box, I will put there what this device is all about and what are the benefits in using this. Okay? So this is only for 2 minutes. You would use this only for 2 minutes. No more than 2 minutes. Okay, because there's a reason. You want the natural collagen to produce the natural collagen to fight acne, any skin problems, like it helps you prevent fine lines, it minimizes the pores, it restores the elasticity of your skin and fights acne and also wrinkles. So let's get it on. So what I will do first is I'm gonna wet the silicone head. This is very gentle. There are other videos that shows how gentle this Lumi Spa skin perfecting device and the silicone head is. So this one I'm using this silicone head is for normal to combination skin. And also with this, I'm using the ageLOC Lumi Spa Activating Cleanser, also for normal combination skin. Okay? It goes together. So I'm gonna wet my face first. Okay, so I wet my face already, and also this device. This is waterproof, so you can use this in the shower after you bathe or you take a shower. So after you clean yourself, so spend time to clean your face, not just to remove the dirt. If you're like working, you can remove your makeup using this. Okay, so this is very easy. So the silicone head is already attached. Later I'm gonna show how to attach and remove the silicone head. So you can put this cleanser straight on your face, but I put it on straight on the silicone head. Okay, there you go. And then I rub it on my face. As promised, I'm just gonna do half face. So you just rub it so this would be properly distributed all over your face. Okay. So I'm not using the device yet. I'm just rubbing the cleanser. Okay, once you have the cleanser on your face, so you can splash water, you can use a spray. But what I did, I wet my face and the silicone head directly on the nostril of the faucet. Okay, so you just press this button, press. It is how you do. Okay. Okay. Just do it out from in and out. You would notice that there would be like a sound. See that sound. It means that the device is changing, or it adjusts to the surface of your skin. So it should be like going out, always going out. Okay. So it cleanses, it massages your skin, and also it gives you a lot of skin and face benefit. Okay. Use this like in the morning. It is set for 2 minutes, so only for 2 minutes. Not more than 2 minutes. So the collagen, your face will produce the natural collagen that will combat or helps fight acne, the aging process. It slows down the aging process, removes the dead skin, the dirt, and also fine lines and wrinkles. Also the dirt, blackheads, whiteheads, and it restores the elasticity of your skin like when you were a kid. So it's done. The 2 minutes is done. So see. So I'm gonna wash my face, and then later I'm gonna show you how to clean this. Okay, so this is how you remove it from the device. Easy, you just pull it gently. Okay, so let me just clean my face, and then I'm gonna teach you how to take care of your LumiSpa device. Okay, so I splash my water. I splash my face with clean water to remove the excess cleanser. So I can really feel the difference. Of course, fresher and radiant looking, fairer. The skin is. See, this is instant. This is the instant effect. Okay, so that's the instant effect. So you would feel it, and can you see? When I turn 30, I'm older than 30. When I turn 30, I have this scar here because of the outbreaks that I had when I turned 30. I don't really have like acne or pimples growing up, but when I turned 30, it's really. I had those pimples deep. It's really deep in my skin. So, see? So, how do you clean this? I cannot use so bear with me. So, this one, you just, like cleanse it like this. And then, you can pat it dry with a clean towel. And then, this is the silicone head combination, normal to combination skin. So just just rub it gently. You don't need to like press it very hard, so just gently. And then there you go, just like that, very gently. Just to remove the excess water. So I just put it on top of the table or desk inside your bathroom, or you can dry it, or once it is dry, you can put it in a pouch. I have a pouch where I put all of my cleansing stuff, the device, the LumiSpa Skin Perfecting Device, the cleanser, the silicone head, because you can bring it with you anywhere, especially when you are traveling or going some other place. Okay, and after that, I use this Napka moisturizer. This is very good for the skin, for moisturizing your skin, because this really, your face really absorb the moisturizer. Okay, because if the moisturizer, if your skin did not absorb all of it, the moisturizer that you put on your face, that will catch all the dirt, the pollution, the dust in the surrounding, and may also cause skin problem like acne or pimples. So that's how you clean your LumiSpa. Now I'm gonna show you, because I use this device for 3 weeks already. So I'm gonna charge this for 24 hours, and you can use this like you can extend the usage of this without charging it every day. So you just charge it 24 hours, and then you can use it like 2 weeks or longer. Okay guys, I'm inside my room and I have it ready. You don't really need a big space for your charging area and for your charger. This is the LumiSpa charger. So you just gently put your device on the charger. See the handle. See how slick and clean it is. I also had a video for the unboxing of this. So see, that's how would you know it's charging. So when the light is lit up, like it's the light is steady, that's how you know that it is already fully charged. So now it's charging. Okay, so this is a life partner of mine. I do not intend to use this only for months or years. So I want to use this like forever, like until I age, clean my skin, and hopefully keep that young, fair looking skin. Okay, so that's it guys. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe, and if you like this video, give this a thumbs up, and be safe, stay safe, have a great day. Bye.